Hey everyone, if you've been hunting for an Expressvpn discount code that actually works in 2025, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you how to get an exclusive deal that gives you 4 extra months free on top of Expressvpn's biggest discount. I'll also share a couple of bonus coupon alternatives so you can pick the one that suits you best. Stick with me till the end because I'll reveal exactly how to lock in this deal the easy way. Now, before I share the coupon, let's quickly talk about why ExpressVPN is one of the most trusted VPNs in the world. It runs on its lightning-fast, lightweight protocol so you can stream, game, and browse without lag. Security is unmatched with AES 256 encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and a built-in kill switch. Plus, it works on literally everything: your phone, laptop, tablet, smart TV, even your router. That's why millions of people, including myself, use ExpressVPN daily. It's reliable, private, and insanely easy to use. All right, here's the exciting part. Right now, ExpressVPN is running their best deal of 2025. You'll get 61% off the 2-year plan, plus an extra 4 months free. That gives you 28 months of unlimited VPN access for as low as about $4.99 per month. And the best part, you don't even need to manually enter a coupon code. Just click the special discount link in my description, and the deal is automatically applied at checkout. But hey, I promised you some bonus options too. Here are a few alternatives that might also fit your needs. 12-month plan plus 3 bonus months free. If you don't want to commit to 2 years, you can grab this shorter option. Up to 69% off on select deals. Occasionally, ExpressVPN runs deeper discounts through affiliates. If available, I'll keep that updated in my link. Special trial for LinkedIn premium users. Some users can score up to 7 months free when stacking promotions. So depending on your situation, you've got choices. And here's why I recommend grabbing this now. It's completely risk-free thanks to their 30-day money-back guarantee. Compared to the normal $12 plus monthly price, this saves you hundreds of dollars long-term. And remember, you don't have to type in codes, worry about errors, or chase expired coupons. My link does all the work for you automatically. So if you want to lock in 4 free months and the biggest discount of the year, just click the special coupon link in my description. Don't wait too long, though. These promos are time sensitive, and once they're gone, they're gone. All right, that's it for today's deal. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive online discounts, and let me know in the comments what you'll be using ExpressVPN for: streaming, gaming, or privacy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.